NordFX is an international multi-asset broker with nearly 2 decades of experience in the global financial market. Founded in 2008, the company was created with a clear objective to provide traders worldwide with stable technology, transparent trading conditions, and practical tools that support long-term decision making in fast-moving markets. This is as simple as that. Now, from whatever we read on over here, I want you to understand something over here. The company was founded to create clear objective to provide traders worldwide with stable technologies. That's the first one. Transparent trading condition. That's the second one. Practical tools that support long-term decision making in fast moving market. Now I want you to understand, stay with me as we progress through this. So I have found one of the most reliable brokers in this forex industry, and hey, you can trust yourself with this platform. In fact, so this is NordFX. So those of you who want to register with NordFX, the link is in the description below. Use the link in the description below not to miss your bonus sake. Use the link in the description below to register with this broker and have your welcome bonus. Now let's talk more about this platform. What does this platform gives you when you decide to trade with them? First of all, you have to know and understand that they are not just a broker that are available in the system for, like, let's say 2-3 years, but they have been in the system for decades. Very well. When it comes to the technological aspect, the available platform which this platform offers, we have MT5 all accounts over here. Let's go there and see what this platform offers over here. So when it comes here, you're going to see all accounts over here. All the accounts are over here. We have MT5 Pro, which gives you a minimum deposit of $50. We have MT50 with minimum deposit of $200. With this, the access to trade this instrument over here: metals, crypto, energies, indices, and a whole lot of stuff. We have MT4 Pro, which begins with a minimum deposit of $10. With $10, you can trade all these instruments: crypto, metal, forex, currencies, energies, indices, and stocks. And then we also have MT40. We have Pro and then Zero. So MT4 Pro, MT40 method, MT50, MT5 Pro. That's why we have over here. So with the Zero, you can trade crypto, metals, forex, energies, indices, stocks, and access to interbank liquidity, which is the ECN. We also have social trading. When it comes to social trading, somebody does not understand what social trading is about. So here is a social trading is simple, intuitive way to increase capital, which allow experienced traders to earn additional profit by selling their trading signal, and for beginners by copying them. So if I'm a beginner and I want to make profit from forex trading and I have no experience, I have nothing, no idea about it, I can copy from the experienced one and I'll make profit from it. That's how it is when it comes to social trading. Okay, so you see over here 1, 2, 3 beginners are copying from this trader who's also selling his signals to them. Now this is more advantage to anyone who has signal group. So maybe you have a signal group on Telegram, you have a signal group on WhatsApp, you can just register with this platform. Okay, so aside all this, let's go to the educational tools, because I'm going to read some of the useful articles for you to understand what this entails. In fact, this platform gives you a lot of ideas, like a whole lot of understanding when it comes to forex, when it comes to stocks, when it comes to crypto, when it comes to energies, when it comes to indices. This platform offers you the best. In fact, it gives you the best. Okay, so is crypto trading available 24/7? This question most beginners do ask these questions. So is crypto trading available? What if I want to trade all days, all week? Is it mostly open? The answer is yes. Cryptocurrency is generally available 24/7. So the long and short position in crypto CFDs. So this platform explains all this for you to understand, and then you can also explain, can you trade crypto without a wallet? The answer, it says yes, you can trade crypto without a wallet. Okay, so you can scroll more and then you learn more for yourself. But for now, let's go to how to open an account with them. When it comes to opening an account, I do recommend again that use the link in the description below. Okay, so I'm providing my first and my last name right now. So this is my email, your phone number over here. Okay, afterwards, make sure you use the link in the description so that you will not miss your promo code, and then you type your password. Now this is what you have to note very well. Make sure that the password you are typing has at least 2 uppercase letters and then at least 2 lowercase letters and one of any special symbol, and also has number of 0 to 9, and at least it should be 88 characters, and then the password should also match. Okay, so afterwards you have to click on the I confirm that I've read the, and then you agree to the, then afterwards you confirm, it says you have sent a confirmation email to Osei Godfred, so you just have to go back to my email and then confirm, and then I will sign in, right? You come to the deposit and withdrawal, you see you can be able, just like you can have, there are different payment system over here. So you have cryptocurrency as a means of making your payment system, your payment method, and it's very interesting over too. So you just have to sign up with the link in the description below, and then you get yourself registered, open an account with them, and connect right now. But you have the affiliate program. So those of you who wants to make profit by becoming partner, you can become a partner on this platform, and then you make profit from it. So we have affiliate programs over here. So increase your earnings, partner with us, which is affiliate program. So you have the affiliate of it. You can register to become an affiliate, and then you join this program to also make money from yourself. See you guys, and thank you very much.